Hello, this is Mark Monroe again. If you can have a little look, I broke my clamp. Now the easiest way to replace this is just snap it all off like that. Make sure you don't throw this away because we're going to need that bolt. For some reason gardeners don't replace that. Well, they probably do, but it's like another extra. Just bring it over here. I'll, nice and simple. Just keep it flat with a junior hacksaw. Make sure you can, before you get there, you can sort of feel it. Now, just with a pair of pliers, do this with the left hand. Just want to go like that, move it about. There you go. There you go, nice and soft. Nice and soft, nice and off now. Press it. Just with the rasp, just take, you can have a little look, just that little edge off there. That's it, just go around like that then. Give yourself a nice bit of a key. Right, now what I'm going to do now, I've got some of this glue that gardeners do. I use it for all the poles. It's 2-in-1 glue. If you have a little look, there's a blue and a pink, or aqua colour. Just stick that on there. That's more than enough like that. Excuse the fingers, but we ain't got a tool. Good little white round like that. And just get your clamp. Leave that. I'll just leave it overnight because it's cold at the moment. Tomorrow that'll be absolutely solid. Obviously then you've just got your clamp that they supply and that little nut that we got earlier on will go on the side. Job done.